Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So I'm excited to dive into this topic. We're going to explore a super useful indicator on TradingView that's going to amp up your trading game. Seriously, is one of the best on my channel, and its drawdown is less than 5%. Okay, so let's jump right into it. What we're looking for is called the T3 velocity indicator. So to add it to our chart, all we need to do is click on indicators and then search for T3 velocity. You'll see it pop up. Choose this one, and a big shout out to the author, by the way. Cool, got it added, perfect. Now, take a look at your chart. You should see this new addition below. It's kind of like a histogram that moves above and below this center line, which sits at 0. Oh, and notice how it changes color. Yeah, it can be green or red, depending on whether it's above or below that center line. And the intensity of the color shows you the velocity of momentum. Pretty neat. Now, in the settings of the indicator, you have a few choices for the type of moving average you want to use. I like the Kaufman moving average. It just works better for the strategy I'm about to break down. And hey, if you want to fine tune things even more for your specific trading style, you totally can. There's an option to show buy and sell signals, but I'd advise against relying solely on those. They can be a bit finicky sometimes, so it's good to have other indicators backing you up. Speaking of which, let's add another tool to our arsenal. The ADX, or average directional index, we will keep the default settings for this one and just add a horizontal line at the 20 level to make things easier to read. Trade based on this setup. When the ADX line is above 20, that's our cue that the market might be trending. So we're looking for times when it crosses above 20 after being below it. Now, when it comes to the 3 velocity indicator, pay attention to the color of the histogram. Bright green means strong upward momentum, while bright red signals strong downward momentum. If the colors are pale, it suggests momentum might be slowing down. All right, let's put this into action. When the ADX line crosses above 20 and the T3 velocity is showing strong momentum in one direction, that's our signal. We enter a position accordingly, set our stop loss, and take profit levels, and boom, we're in business. Got to keep it real here. Even though this strategy is pretty solid, it's not foolproof. You might encounter some false signals along the way. That's where proper risk management comes in. Seriously, it's crucial. Got a whole guide in this matter linked in the description below. Check it out. All right, that's a wrap for today's video. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And hey, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss out on my latest content. Good luck out there, traders. See you in the next one.